Hi everyone, it's Wayne. Welcome back. I've got SFE. I don't know if you say that as a word or just letters. Ice cleats. It's getting wintertime up in here, and we're getting ready. And this is one of my favorite things I've got. I'm one of these crazy guys. I go fishing. I go sit on a frozen lake for hours, sitting on a bucket. And these things are a must. They got tungsten cleats on them, and they just go on your boot. It just shows you my Irish setter boots on another video. So let's use them. They pop right onto these big heavy boots, and it's got an adjustable strap on it there, so you can tighten them down or whatever you need to do. But those suckers bite. Like I said, out on a frozen lake, you got to have something or you're gonna fall on your butt. SFEE ice cleats. Get your couple, put them in your vehicles. They're a good thing to have. They'll make you feel a lot more secure whenever you're walking on slick stuff. Bye now.